Guys, don't sleep on this. If you think moving abroad is only for people with degrees or big money, you've been lied to. Right now, Germany is quietly opening doors for people with no degree, little experience, and limited funds. Yes, you heard that right. And in this video, I'm breaking down how you can move to Germany in 2026 using in-demand jobs that don't require a university degree. Stay with me because step 5 alone could change your entire life. So why is Germany doing this? Germany has one of the fastest aging populations in Europe. Millions of workers are retiring. And guess what? Not enough young people to replace them. That means companies are struggling. Factories are slowing down. Hospitality, logistics companies, warehouses, all understaffed. Yes guys, over 400,000 workers are needed annually. And they don't just need engineers or doctors. They need regular people ready to work. This is why new immigration pathways in 2026 are focusing on skills, not degrees. Mind-blowing, right? These are the top 5 sectors hiring right now. 1. Logistics and warehouse jobs. Roles: picker, packer, forklift operator. Salary: 2,000 to 3,200 euros per month. 2. Hospitality and cleaning services. Roles: hotel staff, cleaners, kitchen assistants. Salary: 1,800 to 2,800 euros per month. 3. Caregiving, very high demand. Roles: elderly care assistants. Salary: 2,200 to 3,500 euros per month. And listen. Many employers even train you on the job. 4. Construction jobs. Roles: helpers, painters, site assistants. Salary: 2,500 to 4,000 euros per month. 5. Delivery and driving jobs. Roles: courier drivers, package delivery. Salary: 2,000 to 3,300 euros per month. Guys, these are not small salaries. And remember, this is entry level. The eligibility. Now let's keep it real. What do you actually need? 1. Age. 18 to around 45 is ideal. 2. Basic education. Even secondary school can work. Yes, no degree required. 3. Language. Basic German, A1 or A2 level. Not fluency, just basics. 4. Valid passport. Must be ready before applying. 5. Willingness to work. This is the biggest one. You must be ready to start small. Guys, this is not luxury migration. This is smart migration. Let's break it down step by step. Step 1. Prepare a German-style CV. Keep it simple. 1 page. Clear job roles. Add a professional photo if possible. Step 2. Apply on official job portals. Use these platforms. Make it in Germany, official government portal. Federal Employment Agency Jobbourse. Yours portal. These are legit. No scams. Step 3. Apply for jobs that offer visa sponsorship. Focus on warehouse jobs, care jobs, hospitality roles. Send multiple applications daily. Step 4. get a job offer. Once you get this, you're halfway in. Step 5. Apply for the German work visa or opportunity card. This is where 2026 gets interesting. Germany is expanding programs like Job Seeker Visa, Opportunity Card, points-based system. Meaning you can enter Germany even without a job first. Don't sleep on this. Step 6. Travel and convert to full work permit. Once in Germany, start working. Convert visa. Build your life. Guys, this is your window. 2026 is not waiting for anyone. So tell me in the comments. Which country are you applying from? And which sector are you targeting? If this opened your eyes even a little, hit that like button. And subscribe, because I'm dropping more strategic immigration opportunities every single week. Your move abroad journey starts now.